this riff is from the song called Bheegi Bheegi. To play this, we have E minor chord. So to play this shape of E minor, we have to bar on the second fret from the fourth string and hold the other three fingers like a D minor chord. So holding that, we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you gotta pull off that second finger on the first string. So then we gotta plug the second string. So then we have 4, 3, 2, 3, but second fret on the third string and the fifth fret on the second string. So we hold this shape, that is 2 and 5 on the third string and second string. We gotta pluck 4, 3, 2, 3. Then we gotta add the second finger on the fifth string third fret and pluck 5, 3, 2, 3. So it will be. Then we just hold second fret on the third string and we pluck 4, 3, 2. And we gotta add fifth string third fret with second finger and pluck 5, 3, 2. So 4, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2. So whole thing will be.